Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Zcash coin. Today I want to share with you how the price line of Zcash is continuing its move in a bullish setup, and that is this broadening formation. And I am following this support of the broadening formation, and I have been sharing this support with you guys for more than 7 months. You can see this was the video when I first shared this support with you in the month of October, and at that time it was at this support, and I told you that from here it can start a powerful bullish reversal. And I also shared all these moves at the Patreon as well, and the current move that the Zcash has formed, that is a bullish reversal harmonic shark move with the combination of this broadening formation I've shared here. And I'm also sharing the different the trading setups and the bullish harmonic setups here at the Patreon. And if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, first of all, let me share some previous ideas with you as a recap, because today's analysis is has a very strong relation with the previous ideas. First of all, I want to share with you this support when the price action moved at this support, and at that time it was at $64, and at the same time the price line also completed this bullish shark move. And before this bullish shark move, I shared another bullish harmonic Gartley pattern that was in May 2020, and you can see at that time it was moving at $54, and at the same time it formed a very big bullish shark move. In fact, this bullish Gartley move was formed in the buying zone of the shark, and this was a very big bullish shark move. And in the buying zone of this shark, this big bullish Gartley was formed. And I also shared that shark move with the combination of this Gartley move with you guys. First of all, let's play this chart, and we can see that the price line turned very strong bullish from $54 to $371. And at the same time, the price line was also at the support of this uptrend line. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line turned bullish from the support. First it turned bullish here and reversed back at this support, and then we had a very powerful and nice rally to the upside. And at the same time, this was the shark move that was formed on the bigger time frame chart, on the monthly time frame chart. And here in this buying zone, it had formed the bullish Gartley that we have recently watched. Now, after playing this chart, we can see that it turned very strong bullish, and at this time the price line is moving in this sell zone and hit this sell zone. Now I want to share with you this broadening formation that the price action formed, and I shared this idea on 5th of March when the price line formed this broadening formation on the daily time frame. Previously we were looking at this uptrend line support that was formed on the weekly time frame chart, and this move turned into this broadening formation that is on the daily time frame chart. And we can see that price line entered in this broadening formation in the month of December, after the mid of December, and it was moving very well between the support and resistance. And I told you that this time it can again hit the resistance of this broadening formation. And I also shared this move with you in the video, in the shape of video, and at the Patreon on the both platforms. Now let's play this chart, and we can see that the price action again turned bullish from this support of the broadening formation. First it turned bullish, formed a bad pattern here, and turned bullish again from the support. And this time the price line is continuing its move in this same broadening formation that I'm going to share with you. And this is the same broadening formation. You can see that at the mid of December, the price line started its move in the broadening formation and moved very well between the resistance and the support of this broadening formation. And this time it is again at the support of this pattern, and we can see that we also have additional supports of this 100 simple moving average and this 200 simple moving average as well. And this time I'm showing this chart on the 4-day time frame, because this broadening formation is turning more and more bigger Therefore, previously I caught this broadening formation on the daily time frame, and now I'm showing on the 4-day time frame chart. And the price line is likely to have a very nice bounce again. And if the price line will be bounced from here, then we can have the next move up to $500. For example, if the price line will be turned bullish and moved in this way, then we can have a move approximately up to $400. And if the price line will move a little bit sideways and hit this level, then it can hit up to approximately $500. Like previously, we had a very sideways move. In this way, the price action hit here, did not reach at the support, and again moved up. And from this level, that was approximately $155, sorry, $100. And from here, the price action moved up to $372. In the same way, we can have a sideways move, and maybe the price line will hit here somewhere at the $5 level. And before that, we have several support and resistance levels. The resistance level, especially on the daily time frame chart, we can see that this time the price line is struggling at the very strong resistance of $160. Previously, we had this support, the $100 support. Then we had this $120 support. At this time, it is working as an active support, and we can see that we this $120 has been breaking previously as a resistance, and here several times it has been breaking as a support, and now it is again breaking as a very nice support. And after breaking out this $160 resistance, this is also very strong resistance. We can see that it has been breaking here as a support, here as a resistance, here as a support, and now it is working as a resistance. Now, after breaking out the $160, we have the next resistance at $190, then $260, and then final resistance at $345. Now, at the same time, while the price line is at this very strong support of this broadening formation, that we are following this support since after the month of October 2020. This was a chart that I shared in the month of October 2020, and the video as well. This is the same support. And we can see, while the price line is at the strongest support, at the same time, the price line has entered in the buying zone of this bullish sharp move that I have also already have shared at the Peridion on 26th of May. And this is a chart when I shared. At that time, the price line just hit this buying zone. Let me show you this. Sorry, this is not that chart. Let me just show you the Zcash. This is the ZEC chart. And 26th of May, I shared this chart of Zcash when the price action was entered in the buying zone and moved above the buying zone. And I was expecting that it will give us another chance to catch it from the buying zone. You can see at that time it was moving at $147, and after playing this chart, we can see on the very next candlestick it moved down to $131, and again it is now moving above this buying zone. However, I'm not looking for these targets of 198 to $309. I am looking for this bigger target, that is the resistance of this broadening formation, and we are following this broadening formation since the month of October. I'm sharing whenever the price line is moving at the support, I'm sharing that move of those Zcash with you guys, and every time it is giving us very nice profits, and this time it can do the same thing again. We are having, after moving, we can see that we had the continuously the red candlesticks, and here when it reached here, now we have a very small spinning bullish candlestick appeared, and the price action has also retested this 100 simple moving average additional support as well, and moved back in this broadening formation. I'll be looking for this big move, and if the price action will hit here, for example, that will be approximately at $350 to $400, and if the price action will move a little bit sideways, like here we have observed that the price action moved sideways and reached here. In the same way, if the price action will move sideways and reach up to this level, then we can expect that it will hit the $500 next time, and then we can expect a next move to the downside, and maybe the price action will again retest the support somewhere here close to $300. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.